Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get an invoice on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com. That's going to take you into the official website for Airasia. Now, once you get into the website, just follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to get an invoice on Airasia. From here, I'd like you to head over to the top of your screen where you have app, play, purchases, check-in, flight status, support, and promotions. So click on purchases, and that's going to take you into the purchases window. In the purchases window, all your orders are organized in one page into these categories, which include date, the part, origin, arrived, destination, booking number, and status. So just select the order that you want to make changes on, and right next to status, you're going to find the three dots menu. Now click on the three dots menu. Once you click on that, you're going to see an extended option, and one of them you're going to find is view itinerary. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. So select your order, and right next to it, next to status, click on the three dots menu. You're going to see view itinerary. Now select view itinerary, and once you click on that, it's going to take you right into the itinerary page where you're going to see everything in your order, like your invoice. You're going to see your invoice, and right under the itinerary page, you're going to see this option that says download receipt. Now click on download receipt, and once you click on download receipt, it's going to take you right into the PDF file in there, like this, like a preview. We're going to see your invoice. Now you can click on this download icon, and it's going to be downloaded into your systems folder. So this is pretty much how you can get an invoice on Airasia. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.